Welcome back, nail queens. Today's video is going to be a tutorial style video showing you how to apply the Soul Dip gel polish on my nails. So what you're going to need for this is a gel base coat, and don't forget your gel top coat as well. Soul Dips sells both of these on her website, and she has a nice line of beautiful gel polishes. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my gel base coat and apply a thin layer of this to each and every single one of my nails here. Then I go and cure my thumb in my nail lamp for 60 seconds because I don't want my gel to seep into my cuticle lines or move around too much while I am applying a gel base to the rest of my nails. You can definitely cure in between each finger, but it's just my thumb that I like to cure separately since it sits sideways when we have our hands fully extended. Now I'm going to cure my nails in my nail lamp for 60 full seconds. This will ensure that the gel polish can stick nicely to the gel base. So if you are having issues with your gel polish lifting, make sure you apply gel base coat first. The gel polish color I am using here today is called Sarah. It is a gorgeous bright pink color. It's very neon. So I'm going to apply very thin layers of this to each and every one of my nails. You want to make sure that when you're working with gel polish, you work in thin layers. This way the gel polish doesn't flood your cuticles and your sidewalls. So work in thin layers. It's okay if it doesn't give you full coverage on the first coat. We build up the layers in the second and possibly third coat. If any gel gets on your skin, you do want to remove it before curing, so using a cuticle stick or a brush dipped in rubbing alcohol or a silicone tool will work to remove the gel polish. Now when the first coat of gel polish is thinly and evenly applied, you're going to want to cure it in your nail lamp for another 60 seconds. It's essential that you cure in between layers. So this is what the gel polish looks fully cured on the first layer. It still looks a little bit sheer, but that is normal and expected. It looks gorgeous anyways, even on just one coat. So I'm going to apply another coat on all of my nails. Again, I'm going to make sure it's thin and even on every single nail. I do not want it to be thick. It is absolutely important that when you apply gel polish, you are doing thinner layers in multiple coats over doing one thick layer. If you do a thick layer, you will run into problems with the gel underneath not curing properly, under curing. You're going to have probably lifting and then actually under-cured gel still on your nail. So definitely make sure you're applying thin, even coats and then building up the color. So after all of the color is applied, I'm curing again for a final 60 seconds for the color, but I'm not done yet. I still have to apply a gel top coat. So this is what the color looks like with 2 coats of gel polish, no top coat just yet. It looks absolutely stunning. I really love this color. So now I'm going to apply my gel top coat. Same concept as before, you want to apply thinner layers of any kind of gel product you're really working with, because if you apply thicker layers, you can also experience heat spikes in your nail lamp, and you don't want that. And just like that, this is my final cure of this mani. So I'm going to cure for 60 seconds again. And this is what the mani looks like when it's all done. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!